Mini hair dryer. This hair dryer offers 1,200 watts of power in a compact size with a folding handle, featuring 2 heat and 2 speed settings for all hair types, plus dual voltage for worldwide travel. Frizz Fighting Design. This miniPRO dryer features tourmaline ceramic technology that helps protect hair from heat while adding shine and helps reduce frizz. Special features. This lightweight and compact blow dryer includes a concentrator for pinpoint styling, a 5-foot power cord, and a velvet touch grip handle for ergonomic comfort. Leader in hair dryers. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hair dryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. Conair Hair Care. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, and more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and hair accessories. The Conair miniPRO Tourmaline ceramic hair dryer with folding handle is a compact travel hair dryer, with 1200 watts for gentle and yet quick hair drying. This miniPRO blow dryer has dual voltage technology and a folding handle, making it perfect for a trip around the corner or around the world. The infrared heat gently dries hair fast, while tourmaline ceramic technology emits natural ions to help reduce frizz and leave hair with brilliant shine. Top reviews from the United States. A great little hair dryer. Used it for over 4.5 years, still working strong. Dropped it for few times, still running great. This is the only hair dryer I used in this 4 years, it's very durable. Compact size, yet blows strong. Perfect for traveling as well. Highly recommended.